Hey guys, this is from DrESkateboard. This morning we're going to go ahead and check out my new MBS trucks and wheels, 8-inch wheels, and these are super wide trucks. Now the turn, now carving is a little bit slow because I had to use one of those riser wedges. So these are really built for mountain boards. That's why the turns are a little bit slow, but the purpose of using these trucks for me was actually to put it on my Icebox skateboard for stability, so it's gonna work out perfect. Problem with these is that they're not made for they're just not simply made for. Anyway, the problem with the the problem with MBS putting on a regular board like this is that you need to use a wedge, otherwise you're not going to be able to turn. Now this wedge is only about 15 degrees. You probably need at least like 30 or 45 degrees, right? So the turns are not that great unless you actually have to use a wedge. But I don't need super quick turns because this is again for my Icebox skateboard, which I need stability for higher speed, so that'll work perfect. As you can see, it's pretty steep incline. I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera down here. Let's actually go ahead and record me going up. Hey guys, that was pretty good, right?